Hello everyone. Let us create a new tool today. So, last in last episode we have created a command execution tool. Like let's just execute the last one. So run. Uh, uh, okay. Show me diff current git directory using diff tool. Let's see if it can do that. Okay, so it's trying to run git diff. Let's see. Yes, and okay, so it was able to do that thing. So that's good. Um, okay, so there is a little bit of change in there already, so that's fine. So that worked, and now what we want to do is let's go back. Let's just create this and create a grep search tool basically. So let's go back. So if you do rg say, and then search for tool, we can see there are like yeah, so these are the places where the tool exists. So the rep, so I have already installed grep, so you can install it like this. You go apt install rip and grep. So if you do that, it will install. I have already installed it, so that's already there. So yeah, so we'll be using this one directly. So instead of like, so at this moment, since we have a command executor tool, it can execute these commands like rg command and then do all these things, but we just wanted to make a direct like explicit tool for our for Clideq, so it can use to search the files if it wants. So we create say grep search tool, and then it is the sensor plus, and then it will. So let's put a name of like grep search, description. That will be say an exact reject search over text files using grep tool, and then use this one when exact term is known. Exact rejects exact regular expression term is. So the other type of search is semantic search. So we have not created a semantic search engine, but this will be useful when exact term is known. Basically, let's put inputs. Let's just do this. Inputs will be So first we put, I think we need a query first, like regex query term, and then type. It has a type. Type will be since this is the regex, so it's basically string, and then let's put a description. The regex pattern. To use for the search. Okay, and that's basically it. And then yeah, so let's put it in there, and then output should be output type equal to so since we have now, okay, so since we have this like lines in here, so what we want to do, we just put every one of them in an array in the oh no, we have to, okay, so just say array, yeah, and then we do forward this one, and then we have a self and query. It will be string, and then it will return a list of string. So return will be list of string. This is the array basically. Or okay. Now let's create a command first. So grep rg, sorry, not rp, and then we'll put query in here. Okay, and then we can actually do execute using subprocess. Say let's put it in a try catch, try except block ifs, except that is say subprocess. If it fails basically, so called okay, called process error, that's the thing. Okay, and then so if it fails, so we should just return, since it's an array, so we just put array here. If source failed, and then put an error in the, okay, so that looks good. Okay, so now let's run the command. So process dot run, and then we have to put command array, and then so what we want to do, we just want to capture output. Capture output equals true, since we and then text is true, and then check. Yeah, so basically that's and then since we have captured the output, now we can take result in here. Okay, so we have this output in there, and then we just return it by just stripping it result as std out, and then dot lit. So all the new lines, we will just split at new line. Yeah, so the thing is, if it is there, if result.std out is there, because there could be nothing found. So if there is nothing found, then std out will be empty, and then trying to split it. Okay, let's do this. So if it is an empty result, so we should probably also remove everything, like spaces and everything. So if it is not only space, then split it. Yeah, either way, yeah. So it's std out is now completely empty, then it will be false. And then if it is, yeah, if it is empty, it will still return. And if we split it, it will just return basically an empty array. Okay, so that's our tool. So let's put it, let's save it, and let's put it in the main. So in here, tool, let's, it is like that. Okay, let's create another line from dot tools. No, just grep search tool. Okay, and then we must put it in here. Even if we don't put it in the grep search tool. And let's also okay, so here, so let's save it, and let's poetry install, see if it works. Okay, but there is something is not working in there, in the definition here. I don't know, let's just put list in there, and yeah, that should work. I do not know why that is causing trouble in there. Okay, that's fine. Let's go there and then see. Okay, so attribute name should be string, got class tuple instead. Line on 37, 31, 32, 37. Called process error here. Okay, on 37 is in here. Okay, so what is that? Is subprocess in there already? No, it is already there, subprocess. Error. Okay, line 37 got name should be string. Okay, so something 37 name should be subprocess dot called process error. Why does it say it is it is a tuple? Okay, let's just say exception. Oh, sorry. Okay. That does not make sense. Still. Okay, let's try again. Okay, tools.py 137 valid arguments. Validate arguments. It should be this. Oh, oh, in there, not in the tools file. Sorry, not in our tools file, right? Okay, let's do back. Go back. This is good. Okay, this is good. So it's in the other one. Here. Here. Something in here. Grep search tool. So there's it's saying that it's a tuple. Okay, so I think this is also good. Let's go back to the here. Okay, so I think there is something is in here. Okay, so let's see if I have no, this is good. This is also good. Inputs. Oh, right here. So that made it tuple. Okay, so it should work now. Okay, yeah, okay. So source current directory. I am just testing it by telling it exactly what to do using regular expression tool. Show results. Okay, let's see. What regular expression would you like to search for? Okay, so that's I already said tools. Tool. Okay, so let's say tool. It is asking me clarification question. That's okay. Observation tool. Okay. Query tool. Yeah, this is good. Grep search. Calling grep search tool with query equals tool. Okay, so now we have all these things. Yeah. So everything in there. Okay, so that looks good. That's I just exited. Okay, anyway, that looks good. Okay, so that is it. We have a new tool. So let's see. Okay, let's add it. Added grep search tool. Yeah, that's what we have done. Okay, that's all for now. See you